I am a brand from the far north. When I moved south, I was separated from my companions. This is the friend I met here, a southern sparrow.
Mr. Duck, look! There's a piece of bread floating on the lake. You wait here. I'll swim to get it for you.
Huh? Wait a sec.
I'm dying!
What are you doing? A sparrow can't swim. Really? I'll go.
Mr. Duck, you can swim! Mr. Duck, you're awesome! You go swimming one more time. Let me squat on your back.
No way, too embarrassing. You want to swim, right? I'll find a way. Got it.
Why did you drop the bread bag?
You sit on this, I'll help you soar.
Wow, you're awesome! Whee!
It works, huh? Although it's slower than walking. I am a brand from the far north.
Hello.
When I moved south, I was separated from my companions. This is a friend I met here. A southern... Huh? No!
Are you a brant?
This isn't the little sparrow I know. Who are you? Where's the sparrow?
You came from the north, right?
Such a huge one. So cool.
When will you return to the north?
How come there are more coming?
Mr. Duck, I found food on my way.
No, well, I don't know them.
Eh? This sparrow looks odd. Something's wrong. It doesn't look wild at all.
Drive it away! Raised by humans, huh? Instinctively finds it annoying. Annoying! It's a freak!
Strike!
What's this brand doing? All of you, get lost! Don't ever come here again! Gee, I hug him without thinking. Must hurry and release him. Forget it. Let's leave it like this. You don't look odd. You're very, very cute.
I am a sparrow that's living in the south.
I give you a sparrow as a birthday gift. Please raise it well. Don't raise it like the last duck that died.
I was raised by the owner since young. I like owner a lot. I play with my owner every day. Owner would show me out to his friends. Afterwards, owner didn't like me anymore.
Mom, I don't want to feed the bird anymore. So troublesome. Your stuff's your responsibility.
After that, he didn't want me any longer. Afterwards, I found a flock of birds that look like me. Can I play with you guys?
Is it the same kind? Ooh, it feels wrong, also behaves strangely. Drive it away!
But they don't seem to like me.
Where did it go? It's gone.
I'll play by myself then. Huh? He seems so lonely. It's okay. I'm here. Mr. Duck, let's be friends.
I am a brand from the far north. When I moved south, I was separated from my companions.
Mr. Duck!
This is a friend I met here, a southern sparrow.
Look what I found!
Gee, I'm dead!
This one is really fun. I'll lend you to play. It burns! Mr. Duck hasn't played it yet. Mr. Duck, don't cry. We can play other things. Once I find it, I'll let you play. Mommy, I'm going to let balloons go in the sky. Fly so high. The next day, Mr. Duck, look above. They're big balls. There's one for each of us. What a coincidence. Are you happy, Mr. Duck?
Very happy.